Hi everyone, it's been a while since I posted, so I decided I wanted to do a challenge. This is day 1 out of 100 of drawing a bird on this paper. Oh, I'm not so good at drawing, so don't expect crazy stuff. I just wanted to do some silly drawing. Oh, and I'll use the suggestions of the most liked comment. So tell me what bird or style or accessories should the next bird have. 1. Done. Now on to the pen. Sorry if it takes a while, I'm slow EF heartbreak. And then a touch of rubber. So, yeah, that's it. I wanted to keep it simple. Tell me what I should draw tomorrow.